Alright, here we've got a 613 splitter planter, 5100 white. 5100 white with splitters. It is conventional till. It's they call it a seat boss. And I think what you see here is what we got with it. I don't think it's wired for monitoring. It does not appear. We did not get any monitors with it. I don't see any wiring for it, but you're gonna buy her absolute on Tractor House Auction. This will be a good cheap splitter planter for somebody. I don't know if it really needs anything, but I'm telling you, looks like the chains and everything look okay. Row units, gauge wheels are good. The openers are so-so. Looks like they got life left in them. Show them the gauge wheel. There's a non-factory weld right here on the marker. But gauge wheel's got just a little bit of play in the wheel. You can see the openers, they're down just a little bit, but like I said, I think they still got life left in them. Everybody's always wanting a cheaper type splitter planter, and there's not many out there. This is probably one of the most likely candidates for a lot of people that don't want to break the bank on a Kinsey or something. So you're going to buy that soon on Tractor House Auction. So it's 30-inch spacing on the corn rows, and it'll split on 15s, okay? So it splits on 15, so it's a 30-15 splitter planter. 613, 6-13.